Hello, hello everybody. Welcome to another episode to How to Blockade. Today I will be showing you how to make a river in Blockade. So you have to make slab, something like this. Make sure it does not make it on the top of the full block. And then you have to get thrust. Right there, thrust. And you have to get full thrust. Now you have to place them like this. I'll show you by later. Wow, taking a long time for me to build. Alright, now you have this. Now you're gonna have to find a decal that has blank, something like this. You're gonna place them on the top. You see why now? Because you cannot place them on a slab. It will look nicer. And then you make them big, just so it looks like an actual block. You can make them extra large. Don't mind the teleportation that I just did. Now you're gonna have to make them color any blue you can choose. I recommend bright blue because it's close enough. It looks to water close enough. There. Now you're gonna have to make them transparency 0.5 so you can see what's below them. Lag spike. Alright, there. Now I think we have that. So now all we have to do is here it is, the finishing product. I made it look nicer with some bush and some tree. The tree I'll be showing later in another video. And yeah, that's honestly all because I just added like water, smoke, color bright blue. I added some cliff medium poly. That's all for now. See ya.